I got this rear body panel all fit up, ready to weld.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Honda Odyssey here. This one's getting a new rear body panel. All right, I got this rear body panel all fit up, ready to weld. I'm gonna go ahead and weld that side together first, and then I will come over here and weld this corner piece in. So, I'm gonna get to welding. I have a Lexus here. This one has a weird hit on this quarter panel right here. It looks like something might have fallen on it or something like that. Slightly ripped open a little bit right there, but it's a small area. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start working that metal out, then I'll weld up where it's kind of split open a little bit right there.